Good morning everyone. Now we are in the second session of Heron's formula, that is we will discuss 12.2. But before going to start, we will discuss some small things which are necessary to solve the questions of this exercise. First of all, in a square, suppose this is a square, ABCD is what? Square. Now in a square, all the four sides are equal and all these angles are 90 degree, and moreover the diagonals are equal, that is AC equal to BD, and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means if area of this part equal to A, then area of this part also A, area of this part also A, and area of this part also A. Suppose they bisect each other at O. So here area of triangle OAB equal area of triangle OBC equal area of triangle COD equal area of triangle AOD. Moreover, the diagonals are bisect each other at angles. It means this angle is 90. So if you consider ABC is a triangle, then what is the area? Area of triangle ABC equal to, see, they bisect each other at angles. That means if this is the height, this will be the base of this triangle. If this is the height, this will be the base. That is equal to half into base equal to AC into height equal to BO. And area of triangle ADC equal half into this one 90, that is BO into AC. Now here see, in this two triangle, half into AC into BO, here half into BO into AC, half of same AC same, and here BO and BO. Here in the property of rhombus, the diagonals are bisect each other. Bisect means BO equal to DO, that is BO equal to DO. It means area of ABC equal to area of ADC, means area of this triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ADC. Similarly, area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle BCD. It means area in a square, area of triangle ABC equal area of triangle BCD equal area of triangle CDA equal area of triangle ABD. Yes, understood? Then next, in case of rhombus, what will happen? It got all these things in class 7 maybe. Suppose ABCD is a rhombus where these all sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. Moreover, they bisect each other at right angles. That means here AC not equal to BD, but diagonals are bisect each other. It means if they bisect each other at O, then AO equal to CO and BO equal to BO. Moreover, here area of triangle ABC equal area of triangle ABC, and area of triangle ABD equal area of triangle BCD. They are not equal. These two are equal and these two are equal, and AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO. So this thing we'll use in this exercise. And next one is area of a trapezium. suppose ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel CD, and suppose this is the height, means AP perpendicular CD. So area of trapezium ABCD equal, the formula is half into sum of parallel side, sum of parallel sides into height. What is the parallel side? The parallel sides are AB and CD. So they are sum. Sum is plus AB plus CD, and height, their height equal to AP. So this is the formula to find the area of a trapezium. Half into sum of the parallel side into height. Yes. Now we'll discuss the questions of 12.2. Again, the first question is a part in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, angle C equal 90 degree, angle C 90 degree. Okay, angle C equal to 90 degree. A, B, C, D. Angle C equal to 90 degree. Where AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal 12 meter, CD equal 5 meter, and AD equal to 8 meter. We have to find the area. How much area does it occupy? Means we have to find the area of this portion. But here it is a quadrilateral where angle C equal 90 degree. So first of all, we have to divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. For that, there is a hint is given, that is angle C equal 90. So if we join BD, then BCD is a right angle triangle. So here we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of BD. If anyhow we can find the value of BD, then it is easy for us to find the area of the triangle, because this is a triangle and moreover it is a right angle triangle, so area will be half into base into height. Then if we find the value of BD, then it forms a triangle where the three sides are known. Then we can use the Pythagoras theorem, Heron's formula, to find the area of this triangle. That's why we join BD. First of all, we have to find the value of BD by using Pythagoras theorem. So exercise 12.1, exercise 12.2, question number 1, solution. First of all, we join what? BD. We join BD. Now in triangle BCD, BD squared means H square equal to BC square plus CD square. BD is unknown, so BD square equal BC square. BC means 12, so 12 square plus CD means 5 square, which implies BD square equal to 144 plus 25, that is 169. So I skip 1 or 2 steps. Directly BD equal 13 meter. So BD equal to what? 13 meter. Now area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD equal half into base into height, that is 30 square meter. So this is the area of this triangle BCD. Now we have to find the area of triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, let A equal, suppose 13. We can consider A equal to 8 or A equal to 9, doesn't matter. Just consider these three sides are A, B and C. So A equal 30 meter, B equal 8 meter and C equal to 9 meter. Therefore S equal A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is A? 13, B 8 and C what? 9 by 2. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 9, 30. 30 by 2 equal to 15. So S equal to 15 meter. Therefore area of triangle ABD. The formula is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, then S minus C. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So under root S, what is S? 15. 15 minus A means 13. Then 15 minus B means 8. Then 15 minus 9. 15 into 2 into 7 into what? 6. Yes. Now here this equal to 15 means 3 into 5 into 2 into 7 into 6. Now see, 3 2 is the 6 and 6 means 36. 36 means 6 under root 35 square meter. So the area of the first triangle is 30 square meter and the area of the second triangle is 6 under root 35 square meter. So what is the total area? Therefore total area equals, we have to join the area of triangle BCD and the area of triangle ABD. Therefore total area equal area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD equal to 6 under root 35. If the value of square root 35 is not given, so going to find out, just replace them like that. 6 under 35 plus 30 square meter. This is the area. If you keep the answer in this form, then also you will get the full marks, doesn't matter. So this is the area of the whole diagram. Now question number 2 is same as question number 1. Here nothing, just first join BD, find the value of BD by using Pythagoras theorem, then use the area of triangle in this triangle BCD, and then in triangle ABD use the Heron's formula to find S, then find the area, and after that add the area of triangle BCD and area of triangle ABD, which gives us the area of the whole diagram. Done. Now we will do question number 4. 2 is same as question number 1 and question number 3 we will discuss in the next session. Now do question number 4. Now what is question number 4? A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the sides of the triangle are 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stand on the base 28. That is, a parallelogram and a triangle have the same area, and stand on the same base. So this is the triangle. ABCD is the parallelogram and CDP is the triangle. And both these parallelogram and triangles stand on the same base, that is 28 centimeter. Means this is the base of the triangle and this is the base of the parallelogram. And the other sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And moreover, the area of the triangle is equal to area of the parallelogram. So in triangle CDP. The three sides are known: 26, 30 and 28. So we can use the Heron's formula directly to find the area. But before that, find S. So let A equal to 26, B equal 30 and C equal to 28. Therefore S equal A plus B plus C divided by 2. A means 26, B means 30 and C means 28 divided by 2. 26, 30, 28. What is their sum? Their sum equal to 84. 84 divided by 2. Now 84 divided by 2 equal to 42 centimeter. Yes, correct? Yes. 84 by 2 equal to 42 centimeter. So this is the S. Therefore area of triangle. Area of triangle CDP equal under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S 42, S minus A 42 minus 26, then 42 minus 30, then 42 minus 28. 42. 42 minus 26 equal to 16. 42 minus 30 equal 12. 42 minus 28 equal 14. This one 14 means 42 means 3 into 14. Then 30 or 16 means 4 square. 12 means simply suppose 12 and this one 14. Now see 3 into 12 equal to how much? 36. So square root of 36 equal to 6. Then 14 into 14, 14 square, that is equal to what? 14, and 4 square equal to 4. So this is the area of the triangle. Don't multiply. Yeah? If the question is just find the area of the triangle, then go to multiply. But here no need to multiply then, because the question is what? Find the maybe height of the parallelogram. Now, yes, find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, this is the area of the triangle. Now, according to question, what is given? According to question, area of parallelogram equal area of triangle. Now, area of parallelogram formula base into height. Area of parallelogram formula base into height. B means base, H means height, and area of triangle equal to 6 into 14 into 4. Now, in this parallelogram, what is the base? Base equal to 28. So 28 into H is equal to 6 into 14 into 4. 6 into 14 into 4. So H equal 6 into 14 into 4 divided by 28. 4 sevens are, then 7 twos are equal to what? 12 centimeter. So the height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. This one. First, consider triangle ABC. CDP, ABC. Then find the S. Then find the area by using Heron's formula. Then according to question, it is given area of parallelogram equal to area of triangle. So area of parallelogram formula base into height, B into H, and area of triangle equal to, we got 6 into 14 into 4. Then base equal 28, H, this one, H equal to, after doing calculation, H equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the answer. Now next question is 5. Let us see it. question number 5. Question of 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each of the rhombus is 13 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass each field will each cow getting? Now a rhombus field is given and 18 cows are grazing there. Rhombus field. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Yes. Now there are 18 cows whose sides are given 30 meter. All the sides are 30 meter. Done. Then and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Sorry, this one. Longer diagonal that is given 48 meter. Now here see is a rhombus field whose sides are 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter and the longest diagonal is 48 meter. Now in the whole rhombus field the 18 cows are grazing there. So what is the area of getting by each cow? So first of all we have to find the area of the whole field. And as there are 18 cows, so area getting by each cow is equal to total area of the field divided by number of cows. Before that, we have to find the area of the field. So, first of all, in triangle ABD or in triangle BCD, the three sides are known. And in triangle ABD, sides are same, 30, 30, 48. And in triangle BCD, sides are 30, 30 and 48. So we can choose any one, either this triangle or this triangle. Both triangles gives us the same area as the dimensions are same. So we consider triangle ABD suppose, or you may consider triangle BCD also. In triangle, question of 6, this one, so question of 5. Question of 5. So in triangle, suppose I choose triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Let A equal 30 meter, B equal 30 meter, C equal 48 meter. Therefore, S equal 30 plus 48 divided by 2 equal 108 divided by 2 equal 54 meter. So the S equal to 54 meter. Therefore, area of triangle ABD formula is S into S minus A, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30, then 54 minus 48, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48. So under root 54 minus 30, 24. This one 24. And then 54 minus 48 equal to 6. Okay. Here no need to multiply them. 54 means 9 into 6. 24 into 24 means 24 square, and that is 6. Now see, what is the square root of 9? 3. What is the square root of 6 into 6? 6. And what is the square root of 24 square? It is 24, which implies 18 into 24 is the area of the field. Sorry, area of the triangular field. Now total area of the field. Total area of the field equal, if the area of this part equal to 18 into 24, then the area of this part is also 18 into 24, because both represent the same triangle with the same dimension, 30, 30 and 48. So total area 18 into 24 plus 18 into 24. Here 18 common, so 24 plus 24, that is 18 into 48. Yes, this is the area of the whole field. Now in the rhombus field, how many cows are grazed? 18 cows. So area getting by each cow. Each cow equal area of the field divided by number of cows, that is 48 square meter. Area getting by each cow to graze in the field. This is the solution of question number 5. First, find the area of any one triangle, then the area of whole triangle equal to area of this plus area of this. You can multiply also and then add them, that's up to you. And then area getting by each cow equal to area of the field divided by number of cows. As there are 18 cows, that's why I divide the area by number 18. Okay, now next session we'll discuss 2 or 3 questions which are slightly different than this. So that's all for this video. Thank you.